We are on the Red Square in Moscow, in Russia, and we are going to make a transaction, a face-to-face transaction using the tag attitude technology.
Tag and pay. The balance in your account is
Alors on met quel montant?
euros. Would you please enter the transaction amount that you would like to receive in dollars and cents, and then push the sharp key. You are going to receive to confirm the transaction, please bring the two phones together. To cancel, push the star key or hang up. Transaction confirmed. Thank you for your call.
Thank you for your call. Beautiful, beautiful.